Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Facebook-like forum where a user can post and share his ideas. We are going to be doing all this using PHP and localhost my PHP admin. Let me show you how it works. So basically, a user creates a post. Let's suppose it says, "Hello, this is my first post." And we upload this post and it is uploaded successfully, and we can see here in our data that the post was uploaded successfully. Before continuing guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments below how you find it and if you want me to do any more videos on any other topic. So let's get to it. First of all, we're going to create a class row for our post box. And inside the row we're gonna need 3 columns to make our post box stay in the middle of the page. So your 1, 2 and 3, and the middle one you're gonna be using, and let's give it a value of 6. Inside this div we are going to create another div which is going to be for the card. Our post box is going to be inside a card which is going to be a light one with a margin bottom of 3 and padding of 2. Inside there we need our form. We're just going to the method post action. We're going to leave it empty because all the action is going to be happening on the same page, and we're going to need the enc type because it is going to be a multimedia form later on, because we are going to be adding images as well. Inside the form, at the moment we need a text area, and to that text area we are going to give it the class of form control with a margin bottom of 2, and we're gonna give it a name of the post text, and we're gonna give it a placeholder which is going to be type your message here. So basically, next thing what you're gonna do is we just need a button to submit this form. So it's gonna be an input of type submit with a class which is btn. Dark we will give it, the name is going to be upload, and the value of the input is going to be upload post. We save this and we go back to our web page and we see how does it look. We know that we created a user yesterday. It's called john@gmail.com with a password 123, and we can see that we have got our post box here. The design we can add a divider here, and we can move the button to the right of the page so it looks a little better. So let's do it. To create a line we just add a HR, and to move this we are just going to make a float on the right. We refresh our page and we see that the button has moved to the right and we have a divider here. Next thing you know we need to do is create a table in our database to store the data that the user is going to be uploading. So we head over to our database. We created a database called login form where we have a user table. Now we're going to create another table called the posts. Inside there we need 3 columns at the moment, which is going to be the post ID, the user who's uploading the post, his ID, and the message. So we create the table. So the first one is going to be post ID, the uploader ID, and the message. These 2 values are going to be int, and this one is going to be varchar. We're going to give it a length of 5,000, so the user can submit up to 5,000 characters in our forum. Just like on Twitter we are restricted to 180, I think. So in this and our forum, we can upload a value of up to 5,000. We're gonna set the post ID to primary, and we're gonna set it to auto increment. Save it, and we have a table: post ID, uploader ID, message, and the table is called posts. So we go back to our code and we say our button is called upload. Let's add code to see if it works. So we're gonna say if I set post upload. So if the upload button is called, the code that we're gonna enter inside this if statement is going to execute. So the first thing that we need is to get the text that the user had just input. So we're gonna save it in a variable called post text, and which is going to be retrieved from the post text area. We got the post text, and we know that the user ID is stored in the session which we stored in a variable previously. So all we need to do now is upload. We got the user ID, we got the post text. All we need to do now is upload this data to the database. So we do MySQLi query, connect to the database, and we insert our query here, which is going to be insert into posts values null, because that is the post ID which is going to be auto incremented by the database itself. The next thing we need is the user ID, and the last thing we need is the post text. Guys, make sure that your post text is inside quotation marks, because if it's not in the quotation marks, the database is just going to collect the first word and save it in the database. If it's in the quotation marks, it will save your whole text. So and we're gonna execute a message when it is uploaded. So we're gonna say post uploaded successfully. We're gonna save it and we're gonna see if it works. So we refresh our page, we say hello, this is my first post, and we upload our post and say post uploaded successfully. Let's go back to our database and see if we got the data there. And you can see here the post ID, the uploader ID, because that's a John. We know from the users table that John has a user ID of 1, and this is our message: hello, this is my first post. We've got the post, but we cannot see the post yet. So guys, stick with me to the next video and I will show you how to retrieve the data from your database, which is just uploaded by you, so you can see it on your home page, just like the Facebook post that you see. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.